What are these, Lidl gliders?
Lidl's, yeah. 7.99 from Lidl's.
And you've put your own servos and push rods and...
gear in.
Nice.
Oh, they go a treat, yeah. All right.
Pretty good, isn't it? Great fun for streamer chasing. Ah, yeah.
Is that a Lidl glider as well? That.
Yeah. Yeah, he's just chopped the tail off, turned it into a float wing.
Oh. Can I have a close up look? I didn't think it was, I thought.
Yeah.
So you've added literally 2 servos.
2 servos.
And no rudder.
No.
And it's an Elevon mix then, isn't it? It's like
yeah.
And your motor on the back. What's that? It's a. Can't quite read the KB on that. And how many cells? 2, 3 cells?
On 3 cell.
3 cell. Brilliant. And they're like £8.
£8.
£8
£8 in Lidl.
That is brilliant.
Yeah.
Mind showing me yours then? I'm quite interested what you've had to modify.
Sorry?
I'm quite interested what you've had to do to them.
Well, I put dihedral on mine, but otherwise that's just as it comes out of the box there.
No, that one's got a flat wing. That's how the wing comes out of the box with the tips.
Right.
We've experimented several times with them, and this one is done. There's no extra weights on it or anything, so it balances nicely.
And you've not had any to carve any foam out of them?
You've got to pull that, cut that foam out of there.
You've got to cut all that out, right.
Square your nose off,
yes.
Put a bit of down, quite a lot of down thrust.
Yes.
And then you can just make your ailerons just by carving a little V in there.
Yes.
Bit of tape across there.
For
and then
you don't need to do the tape, you can just do a V and let the foam
act as the hinge. Either you could do it either way, yeah.
A couple of magnets for your canopy.
Ingenious. Yeah. And what all up? You know, if you buy the little glider for £8, and then all your electronics, probably another 50 quid or something like that.
Motor and speed controller are about 15 quid off
eBay.
It's got to be the cheapest way to get an aileron model in the air, isn't it?
You buy 2 or 3 kits, you've got spare parts then.
Yeah.
but they glue together.
And they're so much fun.
Super glue.
And if you go up high enough, you can thermal. You can thermal with
I
these.
know. I was watching one of you up there, about 50 feet. Yeah. Thank you very much for the demo. It was brilliant.
They're good. There's another one over there, a twin.
No, a twin.